Hey, did you know that there's a special loan known as the 203K loan that will help you to not only buy the house, but get the money to do the repairs on that house? The reason why it's an amazing program is because in this crazy market that we're in right now, it's going to give you more opportunities to possibly find a home that might work for you. Because if you're going out and looking at homes right now, and you're thinking to yourself, wow, this is an ugly kitchen. I can't believe they're asking this amount of money for this house. I don't like the kitchen. I don't like this. I don't like that. What you could do is you could go into a property like that now and say, you know what? Perfect. I like it. It's not something that somebody would just want to come in and buy because it's not just right. It needs work. Well, guess what? A 203K loan will allow you the opportunity to buy that house with only 3.5% down and get the money to fix up the house. And here's the other thing that's really cool about it as well that most people don't know is that you can defer the mortgage payments for up to 6 months while the work is being done. Why is this really cool? 2 reasons. One, well, let's say that you have rent and you don't want to have rent and a mortgage payment while that work's being done. You can defer that. But here's the reason why I really like it. Because let's say, for example, you're like, listen, my current lease isn't up for 6 months. Start looking now. You could close on that home now. Why is it a great time to do that? Because as we get into the winter months, there's great deals to be had typically because a lot less people are looking for homes during wintertime. So you might say, well, guess what? My lease isn't up until the spring. You can look now. Hope that helps. Follow me for more. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I will get back to you right away. See ya.